Hello my friend, welcome to my video. And if you are new in my video, then I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Rakesh. I am basically from India, and I actually practice English online. I also show to the viewer how they can practice English at home and anywhere. Okay, so my friend, today in this video I would like to talk about on one specific topic. So I actually took one topic, that is my family. Okay, so here I will give you some ideas, some points how you can start practicing English just picking one specific topic. Okay, so first of all, first line that you have to say if you want to talk about on specific topic, first is I would like to speak about on my family. Okay, that is the first line. Okay, second, just say about the family. You can say about the importance of family. Okay, if you can't say, then you just you can say how many members are in your family. So in first things, if I take importance, then I can say my family is very very important for me. As you know that in every person life, family is crucial part, very we can say important part in every person life. We have many friends, we have colleagues, we have we can say girlfriend also, but family family is the one who actually stand by you on a difficult situation. The void of the family, no one can fill. Okay, so here the word void, void means empty space. In Hindi it means khalipan, kami. Okay, तो I said void of the family means family की जो कमी है वो कोई पूरा नहीं कर सकता, no one can fill. Okay, okay, now you can talk about the how many members are there in your family. So if I talk about my family, we have six members in my family: my parents, my brother, sister-in-law, my grandfather, no, sorry, grandmother, and me. Okay, so we have two brothers, one sister, she is married. Okay, and we have also grandmother, she is 90-year old. Okay, so now if I talk about my parents, so my parents are very helpful, caring, we can say honest, and talkative, outspoken and intellectual person. Okay, my father is a retired person. Okay, he's retired from electricity board, and my mother is a housemaker. We can say house manager. Okay, house manager is a very heavy word. So I think we should respect our mother. So we should use that word house manager, not housemaker. Okay, because because we see that actually our mother actually sacrificed so much for their family. Okay, so my mother is also very caring. Okay, my mother actually take care of all family members. Okay, very caring, very helpful, and very sweet also. Always talk in a sweet manner. Okay, and very peace, very peaceful. Okay, always talk with peace. Okay, my grandmother is 90 year old. Okay, and she is also very good person, helpful person. Even in this age, she actually take care of all family members, their son. She has two sons, their son and grandson. Always she actually takes care of every family member. So that is very nice thing. And my brother, so my brother is very, we can say, honest, mm, little bit shy, and here we can use the word introvert. Okay, So my brother is a introvert type of person, and we can say not too much talkative. Okay, and my sister-in-law, she is very talkative, outspoken also, and not shy. She is like a frank. Okay, so in my family, in my home, at my home, my sister-in-law, she also take care of all family. She always actually makes food, two times food for our family. Okay, my mother also makes food. Me also, I also make food, but maximum time my sister-in-law makes food for our family. Okay, so that's all about my family members. Okay, now just talk about uh, just talk about something nostalgic things about between you and your sister and brother. Okay, that here we can say, as you know, in every family fight happens. Okay, like okay, in some family there are two brothers. They not, I'm not saying that everyone, but maximum time they, sometimes they actually fight. Okay, so in childhood, when we were in childhood, like in 10th class, so we used to have a fight, me and my brother. We used to fight like a very serious fight. Sometimes we actually used to have very serious fight. Okay, you can practice English like this. Just 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Talk about some on topic. Okay. I hope you understood and you got some help from this video. And keep learning, keep practicing. Take care.